think of the stock market as a candy store. And now you go to the candy store you've never been to before, and you have $10 to spend on the candies. And of course you want to have a good experience, right? Now there's a few different things you could do. You could pick 1 or 2 different candies and try them. You could get lucky, and the candy you bought was really, really good. But then again, there's 100 of different types of candies in that store. So you could also kind of not have a good experience, right? You could buy some really weird candies. So what if there was a bag, which is like a mix of many different types of candies, so that you can try a bit of everything? Like a sampler, you know? You would probably get a better experience, right? Sure, you probably wouldn't love everything in that bag, but overall, you would get a better experience. Now, this same idea can be applied to the stock market as well. There are thousands of companies in the stock market, so how do you pick the right ones? Make sure you don't miss this video.